doing, RVers? Tyce Vink here at Veurink's RV Center here in Grand Rapids, Michigan. Today we're looking at a new floor plan we got in. It is the 2025 KZ Connect 313 MK. It's a mid kitchen, got an island kitchen. So yeah, new floor plan here. Starting up in the front, we got our power tongue jack up in the front, two 20-pound LP tanks. Battery's gonna sit right here up in the A-frame. You'll have a battery disconnect switch here as well. You got your nice rock guard up front automotive windshield, giving you a nice cool look. Moving your way down to the side, we got pass-through storage here. You're gonna have a light in there so you can see everything at nighttime. You'll have power stabilizer jacks in all four corners of the coach, so making the setup at the campground super easy. You'll actually have two awnings on the outside here, so two power awnings, one going over this front area here, and then you'll have one on the slide out as well. And then actually two ACs on this coach, so one up in the bedroom, one in the back area here as well. We'll have a G-glass door on the entrance door, so that's a new thing for 2025s as well. And then solid entry steps coming into the inside. You'll have a 2-year true hitch to bumper warranty on all of your 2025 KZ Connects. All right, and then backside here, the Connect, you're gonna get a couple big windows on the backside. You'll get a nice a ladder on the backside for roof maintenance, making it easier anytime throughout the year getting up on the roof. You'll have a back bumper for your sewer hose, spare tire on the back. And then here on the off-camp side, you'll have storage in each of the slide outs. So you'll have 3 slide outs total, storage on the off-camp side slide outs, and then you'll also have your tankless hot water heater over on this side. So that's just a little bit on the outside. Let's go take a look on the inside. All right, guys, forgot to mention on the outside, but the length weight of this trailer is gonna be 36 feet, about 8,200 pounds. So we'll start here in the slide out. You're gonna have your booth dinette, so that does drop into an extra sleeping space if needed. You'll also have storage underneath each booth there. You'll have your theater seating down here in the slide out as well. And then on the 2025 Connects, they also changed the interior, giving you the new modern interior with new light fixtures, new valances, all that good stuff. So take a look at that. And then in the rear here, you're gonna have a hide-a-bed here, so that does make into a bed if you need an extra sleeping space there. Got overhead storage above that, and then flipping it across into the entertainment center. You got a nice TV, fireplace, gives off a little bit of heat, just enough to knock the chill off. Then you get a bunch of storage in the kitchen area, nice microwave, 3-burner cooktop, get your oven, and then you get your island kitchen, so a bunch of storage in here, nice stainless steel sink, overhead spout, and then you get your 12-volt fridge, freezer below that. And then great spot here for like a coffee maker, bunch of extra storage above and below there as well. And then like I mentioned on the outside too, we got 2 ACs, so we got one in this area back here, and then we'll have one in the bedroom up there, and then we'll make our way to the bathroom. So nice foot flush toilet in there, good sized shower with a shower surround, and then you'll have your sink area, nice medicine cabinet there. And then up into the bedroom up here. Nice big bedroom with a bed slide. So queen size bed on a slide out gives you a bunch more walking room in the bedroom here. Nice wardrobe there. You get spots for CPAP machines on both sides of the bed here as well. And then up into the front cap of the coach, you get nice closet area. So sliding door, bunch of room for clothes storage. And then you get a nice TV in here as well, and then a bunch of more drawer storage for socks, all that other good stuff there. So like I said, guys, overall a bunch of new changes on the 2025 KZ Connect. So this is the KZ Connect 313 MK. If you guys have any questions about this, reach out to us at Veurink's RV Center. My number is 616-965-9629. Again, 616-965-9629.